This is Jolie, your English bestie. Today we're going to learn two interesting adjectives to describe someone. High maintenance versus low maintenance. This video is for beginners to intermediate learners. Have you ever run into someone who is just so hard to please? Like a princess? Yeah, I'm sure you have. So how do we describe them? You can say high maintenance. The word maintenance means the work needed to keep something in good condition. So, high maintenance means needing a lot of work to keep something in good condition. If you describe someone or something as high maintenance, that means they require a lot of attention, time, money, or effort. On the other hand, low maintenance means requiring little work to keep something in good condition. If you use this word to describe a person, that means someone who is independent and not demanding a lot of attention. They don't need a lot of work to keep them happy. And another way to say this is easygoing. Happy birthday, babe! Guess what I got you? This is my birthday gift. Are you joking? It's not good enough. Happy birthday, Jolie! Guess what I got you? A banana! A banana! I love bananas! I'm super low maintenance. I'm very easygoing. Everyone wants to be friends with me. Let's review today's phrases. My girlfriend is so high maintenance. She is so hard to please and hard to deal with. What did you just say? I'm super low maintenance. I'm very easygoing. Now you have it! Do you know anybody in your life that's high maintenance or low maintenance? Warning. If someone is high maintenance, do not say it to their face. Don't do it. Keep it to yourself. Otherwise, they might get offended or unfriend you. You're welcome. See you all soon. Bye!